Du kommst wieder, oder? Bist du tot?
RB LEIPZIG squad returns here to face led to face Manchester City Football Club, and under their head coach Mark Rose gives instructions to these players on how they can defeat, on how they can win as a game against Manchester City. It should be clear and noted that RB LEIPZIG is one of the best teams in the world. It has a special history, and today he is just going to compete to face the greater and the experienced players of Manchester City Football Club in UEFA Champions League. Of course, Manchester City has no good history in UEFA games, but this season they have one of the incredible player who is Erling Haaland. Of course, Erling Haaland alone has a quality, the special quality that he can just give them what they want. In fact, it seems like other seasons, the past seasons, the squad of Manchester City lacked a player like Erling Haaland, the one to score in difficult games. But currently, they have such kind of player, and they are also looking for the UEFA Champions